All right, so let's solve a problem which appeared in JEE Main 2025. In this question, we have been asked that we have to form a group, or rather, we have to invite few people for the party, like four boys and four girls. And then there are two groups, Group A and Group B, and there are certain conditions given that how we have to choose them from. So let's write this down. So generally, whenever you get this, you should note down all the information, then only you can solve it. So group A consists of seven boys and three girls. So this is your group A, and they contain seven boys and three girls. All right. So this is what it is over here. And then you've got group B, which contains six boys and then five girls. What you have to do is you have to invite four boys and four girls for a picnic. If five of them must be from group A. So then we got to choose five from here and three from here, right? And then also that four boys and four girls to be selected. So this one we have to keep in mind that four boys and four girls to be selected. Okay. Now we can start from here. I mean, we could have started from here as well, but let's start from here. Let's take all the boys from here. So there will be four boys from here. Then also we have to make use of this consideration that there is like five people to be selected. So one girl can be selected from here. And then we have to select rest of them here. So zero boys because there is like already four boys are selected. So three girls. So this is what is my first case. Maybe you can say zero boys. So this is what is my first case. Now, second case could be that I would select three boys. Now I'm decreasing this number. Then two girls must be selected to make this count as five. Now three boys are selected from here, so one boy has to be selected from here, and two girls are selected, so two girls to be selected from here. Then third case, then I can select two boys from here and three girls, and then I can select two boys from here and then one girl from here. I can't go any further than this. If I select one boy, then I have to select four girls, which we do not have. So these are the only possible scenarios. Now, in these scenarios, what will be our uh, number of ways to select them? So we'll just count them and multiply it. So four boys out of seven can be selected in 7C four ways. Then one girl out of three can be selected in 3C one ways. And then this will be 6C0, and this will be 5C3. So we will be calculating this. And then similarly here it will be 7C3 and then 3C2 and then 6C1 and then 5C2. And this will be 7C2 and this would be 3C3 and this would be 6C2 and this will be 5C1. Now our job is to calculate this. So 7C4, so I can write factorial 7 upon factorial 4 into factorial 3. And then 3C1 is simply 3 itself, 6C0 is 1, and 5C3 will be 10. So that would be better if we remember this. So 7C4, like if we just calculate it here, 7C4 will be 7 into 6 into 5 upon 6. So this is actually equal to 35. Let's also calculate 7C3, which is actually equal to 7C4 itself, which is 35 itself. 7C2, let's calculate this also here. 7C2 will be factorial 7, factorial 5, factorial 2. So this will be 7 into 6 upon 2, which is going to be 21. Right, we have got all this, and then we will be just able to do this quickly now. So this is 35 into 330. So that will be 1050. Now 7C3, we have just got this to be 35. So 35 into 3C2 is again going to be 3, and then this will be 6C1 will be 6, and 5C2 will be 10. So this will be 35 into 3, which will be 105, and into 6, 105 into 6. You have to do this. So this will turn out to be 6300. Okay, 6300. Now this last one, which is going to be 7C2, which we found out to be 21. 3C3 is 1. 6C2, we did not calculate. Let's calculate 6 into 5 upon 2, which is going to give me 15 into 5C1, which is 5, right? So, which is 75 into 21, right? So 75 and then 150, right? So this is 1575, right? So let's write this as 1575 and then sum it up. 1575 and then let's sum it up. So this will be 5, this will be 7, 5, 12, 2, and then 5, 3, 8, and 9, and then 8. So we get 8, 9, 2, 5. and that will be my answer. So 8925 is what is my answer here. Okay. So that's all for this question. If you've got any queries, do ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.